In a reactive world, emotional control is power, and the fastest way to lose that control is reacting immediately. Most reactions are automatic. Something happens, someone says something, a situation triggers you, and within seconds you respond. It feels natural. It feels honest. It feels real. But immediate reactions are often not clarity. They are impulse. The speed of emotion. Emotions move fast, faster than logic, faster than awareness, faster than thought. That's why most people react before they fully understand what they are feeling. Anger becomes words. Frustration becomes tone. Ego becomes defense. And once expressed, those reactions are difficult to take back. The cost of instant reaction. Immediate reactions often create unnecessary damage. Conversations escalate, misunderstanding grow, relationships weaken, not because the situation was serious, but because the reaction was uncontrolled. Many problems are not caused by events, they are caused by reactions. The power of the pause. Emotionally disciplined people do something different. They pause, even for a few seconds. That pause creates space, and in that space, something important happens. Awareness. You begin to understand what you are feeling, why you are feeling it, and what response actually makes sense. Responding versus reacting. There is a difference. Reaction is automatic. Response is intentional. Reaction is driven by emotion. Response is guided by awareness. Reactions happens instantly. Response requires patience. That difference changes outcomes. Why immediate reactions feels necessary. Sometimes reacting quickly feels like strength, like confidence, like standing your ground. But often it is the opposite. It is loss of control because true control is not shown in speed. It is shown in restraint, emotional discipline in action. Imagine a moment where you would normally react, a comment, a disagreement, a challenge. Instead of responding immediately, you pause, you observe, you let the moment settle. Now your response comes from clarity. Now your response comes from clarity, not impulse. That response is calmer, stronger, more effective. The advantage of slowing down. When you slow down your reactions, you gain advantage. You see things others miss. You understand situations more clearly. You avoid unnecessary conflict. And most importantly, you stay in control. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, control is not about suppressing emotions. It is about managing them. Not reacting immediately does not mean ignoring. It means choosing. Choosing when to speak. Choosing how to respond. Choosing what deserves your energy. And that choice is power. Remember something simple. Your first reaction is emotional. Your second response is intentional. Learn to wait for the second. If you are building emotional control in a reactive world, stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions or they will control you.